Laser light Shone on YouTube list of top Jamaican acts. But does number 1 actually make the cut? Over to JR with news and numbers. JR, a list of top Jamaican acts on YouTube sounds straightforward. So why is it generating so much comment?
Because the number 1 is Major Lazer with 10.5 billion streams. Now, Major Lazer was started in America, but the engine of Major Lazer is Walshy Fire, a Jamaican. And we put him at the top. They have 10.5 billion streams. We can't take away his push and his involvement in Major Lazer. Now below Major Lazer is Sean Paul, the king of dancehall streams with 6 billion streams.
Give it the good loving that is preferred. You deserve it, so don't be scared.
Then we have Cutty Ranks. He is there at number 3 with 5.2 billion streams, driven by El Chombo's Dame Tu Cosita, which features Cutty Ranks. Number 4 is Bob Marley with 4 billion streams. Number 5 is Shaggy with 3.1 billion streams. Omi has 2.2 billion streams on YouTube.
Oh, I think that I found myself a cheerleader.
Vybz Kartel with 2.2 billion streams. Damian Marley with 2 billion.
We're living it up, having a good time, baby.
Popcorn and Alkaline with 1.7 billion each. Shensia with 1.5 billion. She's the highest streaming Jamaican female artist on YouTube.
When you leave him, we say you can't fill the void, and you'll never find another like him, but that's the point.
Chronic Law, 1.2 billion. Spice with 1.2 billion. And Massacre, the newest entrant to the Billions Club with 1.1 billion streams.
Count up a million the first time, and never look back, you know, come in a reverse time.
But Major Lazer is not a Jamaican act, so I understand that people will take exception to listing Major Lazer as a Jamaican act at the top of that group.
The exception is accepted, but they are the exception to World Music Views rules because dancehall is global and Walshy Fire is pushing, and these are a part of his streams and his work.
For producer Alex Anteos, there is a front runner going into the Reggae Grammy category.
We always consult Alex every year for the Grammys because he's an insider. He is a voter and he has been correct for the last 2 Grammy Awards. And this year he said that Kez Namdi is a front runner for the 2026 Best Reggae Album.
So much blessings I feel thankful. Fulfilling my dreams, I'm grateful.
Alex said Kez Namdi managed to get voters from outside reggae music, and that might be where the respect is, and that might give him the plug to win the award. He's up against Vybz Kartel, he's up against Lila Ike, Mortimer, and Jesse Royal.
Sean Paul just keeps going platinum.
Like Glue, his latest at the top of the year, platinum in the UK, 600,000 units.
So how can they want big up them chest, but they don't know that to go put they are rated as the best.
He's also along for the ride on Spice's Go Down There, featuring Shaggy, which went silver in the UK, 200,000 units, and this is Spice's 2nd silver certification and as a lead artist.
My time they wide up, let them know that nobody can stop me shine up.
And for the top 10 songs on YouTube in Jamaica, let's find out if it's still a beloved list.
Starting the new year at number 10 is Skipper's 10 Past 2. At number 9, Genius Sound, Me Alright.
Them ask if my body am alright. All when me know I'm alright.
Number 8, Mali Don's Adios. Skipper again at number 7 with Currency. Jamal's Father featuring Rich Pre at number 6. JC Lodge with a new song, One Place to Be at Christmas at number 5.
There's only one place to be at Christmas time.
Chronic Law's Badness Upgrade 2.0 at number 4. Cholita's Without You featuring Skilly Bang remains at number 3. Skippers WYFL, produced by DJ Mac, at number 2. And yes, at number 1 for a whopping 15 weeks is James featuring Scatterloopers, Beloved and Blessed.
So no adios for Beloved and Blessed just yet.
Working YouTube and they're reaping the benefits.
Love it, feel like the abyss. In the cosmic dance, feel the eternal bliss.